How to use Pixelfed app. So here is Pixelfed app. It's a like a new interesting app, kind of alternative to Instagram. But in this app, it's kind of decentralized social media based on like Fediverse, similar to Mastodon or like Blue Sky. So in this app, you kind of log in with your Mastodon account. And then you just have it here just like that. So you have your Pixelfed account, and then you can just follow them. You can just follow by something by a hashtag. So for example, if you find something by hashtag, you can just follow it, and then you will find a lot of posts, and then just follow also this. And then it kind of looks really like old school Instagram, but you know, that's just what you see. But it's really decentralized, and yeah, you can also share it, you can like it. The thing is, you need to log in this app with your Mastodon account. So this is my account. I already had Mastodon, and that's why I just logged in easily. You can, and that's, you need to select instance servers like Pixelfed social, and then you just select these different servers, kind of like different decentralized servers in here, kind of like different subreddits. Yeah, so that's where you have it. You can discover all of these trending photos. You can just take a look at it. So it's kind of like decentralized Instagram, you know, old school. There are no ads. You can just see some photos in here. Quite cool. And then you just browsing it around, and you can see when it was posted. So yeah, that's basically the idea in here. And yeah, just have it, and then you have some different people. So yeah, Pixelfed app, try to get it. Your photos, your privacy, your choice, without tracking, without ads, ad-free, algorithm-free. So a lot of people try to switch to this app. Pretty good idea. You know, Blue Sky is kind of like decentralized Twitter. Pixelfed is more like decentralized Instagram. So yeah, that's why this app is in top charts right now.